people how to get access to the tower. First, you will of the curse, and then you need to into 6 squares. And you need 500 bolts, 500 bolts, 250 extra, one guard fragment, and 5,000 fragments. Okay, first, it needs to be a full moon, and you have to go to the haunted castle. Okay, I can hear a haunted castle, but it needs to be a full moon. A full moon. The best thing is to serve their help to find out full moon. Into the level 2,300. And when you're slowly to scan you, you need to be the candidate to be white. So the best way to kill Philip Moon is to kill the possessed mummies. So you have to pray to the rivers and you have to kill 6 living zombies at once. And after that you have to go to the shrine here. You have to choose the who have the more favor. Their signs there. Okay, next step. You have to talk to the ghost. The ghost is supposed to be right here. The ghost is supposed to be right over here in this spot. So when you talk to him, you have to picture this. This for me, this happened things that was, and but I just this so you have to picture them, and you have to go right over here. You have to go right over here. And you have to go to the truck, and you have to memorize or take a screenshot, or you have to take what is it horizontally, vertically, or blank. If it's no, there's nothing, or just put blank. Okay, next step. So now here, then is the final step. So let's you put red here, blue here, green here, red here, green here, black here. So if you're done everything, you have to go to this read machine, and there you have to drop it. And this is the requirements: 250 ectoplasm, 500 bones, 1 guard fragment, 5,000 fragments, and you need to be level 2,300. And so, you need to get fragment, just do rates. I do the frame rates, so to get more, you have to do the, if you have to get fast balls, just kill the possessed mummy with Buddha. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!